Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
The cell in which the following reaction occurs. See, they have given the chemical equation. E0 cell is given 0.236 volt at 298 Kelvin. And what we have to find? Calculate the standard Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant for the cell reaction. How to find standard Gibbs free energy? We know the equation, right? What is that? Delta G standard is equal to minus N F E0 cell. So this is the equation for what? Standard Gibbs free energy change, correct? Okay. Now, what is the value of N? See, for that, you either take Fe or take iodine. So I take Fe, okay. Fe. Now on LHS part, what is the total charge on Fe? 2 into 3 plus. What is that? Plus 6, right? What about RHS? 2 into plus 2. So what is that? Plus 4. So plus 6 become plus 4. What is the change? 2, right? 2. So what is the N value? N value is 2. Very easy, right? To find N, that is very easy only. Now what is F value? That is a constant, that is 96500. And E0 cell is given in the question. What is that? 0.236 volt. Correct? Substitute all the values. Minus 2 into 96500 into 0.236. And on calculating, on multiplying, what you will get? You will get minus 45548 joule per mole. Correct? Normally, delta G and delta G standard are represented in kilojoule per mole. And here we got answer in joule per mole, right? So we can convert joule per mole to kilojoule per mole. Okay, listen. Minus 45548. So our aim is to convert joule to kilojoule. So into 10 raised to 3 by 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. Now you know that kilo is what? 10 raised to 3, correct? Letter K is used to represent 10 raised to 3. Now listen carefully. Is equal to minus 45548. Okay, I am putting a 0.0, right? That doesn't make a change, right? Same number 0.0. For easiness, I am doing that. Now 10 raised to 3 is kilo. So kilojoule per mole divided by what? 1000. Correct? 10 raised to 3 is what? 1000 is equal to. Now by using these 3 zeros, dividing with 1000 means what? Shifting decimal places 3 position left. So what are you going to get? 45 minus 45.548 kilojoule per mole. Hope all of you understand. And that is our answer for delta G standard. We got the answer, right? Now, what is our second task? Our second task is to find equilibrium constant. Correct? How to find that? We already know there is an equation, right? Delta G standard is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Correct? Our task is to find what? Equilibrium constant, that is Kc, right? Okay. Now, see, delta G standard is there on the LHS. That you can substitute either with minus NFE0 or you can directly put the numerical value. It's your choice. Anyhow, I'm going with minus NFE0 cell. There is a reason, okay, that you'll understand later. Okay, so instead of delta G standard, I'm writing minus NFE0 cell. If you want, you can put the numerical value, that is minus 45548. That is your choice, okay, is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. And what we have to find? Kc. So make the equation for log Kc. Okay, log Kc. So what is that? Log Kc is equal to minus minus you can cut, right? So it is NFE0 cell by 2.303 RT. Correct? Hope all of you understand. Now there is a very important hint. This you must know. Okay. 2.303 RT by F. You remember this value is what? 0.0591. By heart it, okay. 2, if you want substituting R value 8.314, temperature is given in the question, that is 298 Kelvin. F value is what? 96500. On substituting you are going to get 0.0591. Now reciprocal of this, what is that? F by 2.303 RT is equal to 1 by 0.0591. And it is very clear that you can see that here, right? Clear? F by 2.303 RT. Okay, so you can substitute it with what? You can substitute it with N E0 cell. Okay. Now instead of F by 2.303 RT, what you can write? 1 by 0.0591. Okay, right? 1 by 0.0591. Hope all of you understand. Correct, right? Now, what is N value? It's 2, right? We already find it. Into, what is E0 cell? That is there in the question, right? 0.236 divided by 0.0591. Correct? And on calculation you will get 7.99, that is approximately 8. Okay. Now you must know this rule. Log x is equal to a. So what is x? X is anti-log of a. Correct? Now what is x? X is 10 raised to a. This you must know. Apply the same here. So what is Kc? Log Kc is what? 8. So what is Kc? Anti-log of 8. So what is that? It will be equal to 10 raised to 8. Hope all of you understand. Kc is equal to 10 raised to 8. We use this rule. Okay, we use this rule. X is equal to anti-log of a. So what is x? 10 raised to a. Kc is equal to anti-log of 8. So what is that? 10 raised to 8. Hope all of you understand.